Some lovely tunes. Hope y'all enjoy berries, cause oh my god, these look nice. Daniel Trading is live, guys. Let's join in. Woo! Another day, another dollar. Of course, Samuel, thanks for joining. He's always the first. He always ready to amuse me. And I'm grateful for that. Thank you, Samuel. Anyway, hi guys, how's everyone? It's Daniel again. I'm back again. Another day, another dollar. Of course, another way to earn. Crazy fixture. But we shall endure with that. Yep. Anyway, let's go with this. We're gonna be in the Brent oil OTC. Brent oil OTC. We're gonna have some good trades. Okay, then hold on. Let me first check up something. 15. Yes, right. Nice, correct. Whoa. Straight to business. Jerry is straight to business. Is the Skynobot accurate? Yeah, apparently it's 85 to 90% accurate, which was a good deal for me. I was like, wow, this is a nice deal. So I had to try out. Actually, it's back again. It's active right now. It's active, okay? It's active. Because I received a message from the support team. They were like, hey, the bot is active right now, so I could go with my trades. Markets. Anyway, let's go with this. Let me start with something big today. 100. So nice downtrend. Come on. Make a shot there. Hope today is better like yesterday. Yesterday we had a pretty good count streak, and yesterday's streak was really nice. So I want to keep up with that. It didn't shock me out that well. Anyway, let's continue with using this. Okay. Those who are joining in, thanks for joining in. Let's go. We are back again with Daniel Trading, Daniel Live. And I've already got some questions from Emmanuel. Sweet Dadon, yes, how are you? Hi, Didos. Manuel, good evening, how are you? Big man, thanks for joining. Yes. Sweet Dadon, you're right. You're right. Tell them. I always tell them, but they don't listen. Hey, you guys have to learn this use of your brain. You cannot depend upon a bot for sex or is successful. Yeah, true. How long have you been using the bot? I only used it once. I only used it once. Uh, I only used that. I only used about once, and it was not that good. But I didn't go for it because I only used my head. But I would like to try it and use it again. A double shot there. Come on. Nice. Boss, have you checked out the jazz songs? Yes! Dr. Bulls, the jazz music was nice. I checked it out. It was lovely. I loved it. I'm still trying to find a way of compiling it together so that I can play it on the stream. I wanna compile it together. So I want to play Dr. Bulls jazz on the stream, and it was really nice. I want to play it, but I'm still finding a way of compiling it together so that I can play it for you guys. And for those who are joining in, thanks for joining in. We're live now with Daniel. And for those who are asking about the bot, yeah, the bot is back again, and it's back online. Yes, it's back online. It's working online. I talked to the support team, and they gave me a notification that it's back online. Though I only used it once. So someone was asking if I've used it, how long have I been using it? I only saw it once. I used it once, and it was nice. So for those who are having small accounts, I think you can use that. But as Frida don't say it, do not rely on the bot, rely on your brain. The more you rely on your brain, the more things faster and become for you. Frida don't was right. The more you rely on your bot, you get behind at move slowly. So don't always rely on the bot. Rely on how to use your brain and make your brain sharp about that. All day, thank you for joining. Here is Samuel. Thanks for your contribution yesterday for saying I should read that Bible experience, and today I read it like a pro. Thank you, thank you. You have read the Bible, and now you're making it out. That's nice. That's a good response. I love that. Oh wow, bitches ain't sassy. Pop out. How often do you trade from Cameroon? He's saying how often do I trade? I trade every day. Every day I pick out only 2 hours and I trade. I don't trade a lot. I don't trade. I don't do overtime. I only trade for only 2 hours. When I'm done with 2 hours, whatever I get, I just bounce out. So I don't overtrade. And I don't normally trade in the evening hours when I'm back from work. When I'm back from my normal errands, that's when I trade. So it's not good to overdo it. Why would you overdo it? Come on, don't overdo it. Okay, make a call there. That was a nice pull. Can you teach us, please? Can you teach me, please? Yes, we're teaching here. We're learning. Now I want you to look at the down. I want to look at the bottom indicator. I think the way it's moving, like the way it's having its mediate from in between the levels of 20 and levels of 80. Look at that, guys. That shows that the market is being crazy, and sometimes you just have to let it settle down before you take a trade, which is a good choice. Because when you take a trade it's independent there, it might be risky. So sometimes it's better for you to let it settle down, either let it settle up or down, which will be better for you to take a nice trade. But right now, don't take a trade because it might be too risky for you. You might want to risk it. Okay, now look at the way it's coming back to the levels of 20. That's nice. Okay, again it's pulling back up. So if I make a double call there, because it's the levels of 20 and it's pulling back upwards. Come on. Yes, nice. That's nice. I think you've seen that, guys. Now that it's back at the levels of 80, again we look for a nice option. Either you continue going with the trend because it's moving down, it's moving upwards. The trend shows that it's moving upwards. So the right call here you can do is either move with the trend because it's still moving above. It has to hit the upper levels. So let me go with that. Let me make a double call here because I want to move with the trend. Let me show you. Let me move with the trend of the oscillator. Yes. Nice. Come on. Nice. That's nice. That's really nice. I think you've seen that, guys. Do you guys eat berries? I got some berries from the mart today. I was in the mart. I got some berries. They're nice. They're sweet. I was like, let me try out some berries. It's been so long since I ate berries. So when I was going for the mart, I saw some berries. I'm like, hey, let me try some berries. They're really sweet. They're nice. Okay, they do wine. If you tend to keep this so long, they can make some good rusty wine, which is nice. Let's continue with this. No. Today saying when is the bot going to? The bot is working, bro. The bot is working. Go back and check that Telegram. The bot is really working. I checked it. It's working. I checked it out today. It's working. It's working. Go check it. For those who want the description, the link, it's in my description for the bot. It's working. Though I told you, it's better for you for lunch or so. Don't rely on the bot. But the bot is also working. The bot is working, guys. Well, this is an uptrend, but it's acting up. Let's see how we can make it out here from here. Okay, there's a drop down there, not so big. Hold on. If I look at this carefully, I'm seeing something turn up anytime soon. So let me look at my candles carefully from here. Let's analyze this. Okay, this is a nice execution candle. That shows a downtrend. The downtrend is being rejected. So I can't take any shots here. Hold on. Yes. Oh, that's an uptrend. Oh, rejection. Make a double call there. Double shot, sorry. That's a nice rejection. Very double shot. Come on. Come on. Yes. Come on. Don't. Yes. Come on. Woo. Nice. Nice. Okay. Downtrend. Some downtrend. Make another shot there. How to use the bot. When you send a message to the bot, it will send you how to use it. I think it has a small video how to show you how to use it. You download it on your computer, install it, and when you install that bot, open up a Pocket Option. It's better you open up a new account. I don't know, something like that. It's better you open up a new account. When you log in, you set the bot to your preferred style. You can set it to your how much. I prefer you set it to 15 seconds or 15 seconds time frame. Then the risk management, put it at 1 to 2%. Then you can also put your bands. You can also set up your bands, your Bollinger bands or oscillator. You can also set it up there. Your indicators. After setting it up, then you press start. Let it work. First, let it settle. Don't touch anything. Then it will start working. From $1, $2, anything. Then start working out. So, and it's free. It's running a free trial for 30 days, which is nice. I missed this uptrend. Let's take a call there. For those who are saying that they want me to trade for them, I'm still finding a better way to approach that. So when I find a better way to approach that, I'll be telling you guys. I've been receiving a lot of messages in my Telegram, and you guys are flooding my Telegram. But I'm still finding a better way to do that for you guys, so we can all love it up. Double shot. The reason why I trade on Pocket Option is really the most convenient platforms for binary options right now, and that's why I trade on Pocket Option. So please, that's why I love Pocket Options. It's more convenient for binary options and more convenient for the OTC markets. That's why I trade on Pocket Options. It's nice for me. Comes out well. Oh my god, I missed this uptrend. Can't make a move any. Oh, it's. I'm seeing a turn coming up. Come on, let's wait and see. Oh yes. It made a reversal somewhere there, but I didn't enter that. I didn't see that coming. So Pocket Option is having a very good interface. It's really clear, simple, and comfortable to use while trading. That's why I choose Pocket Option. That's why I love Pocket Option. And it's the past platform that I learned when I began trading. Though I've been moving to other platforms, but I learned from a Pocket Option, and it was a quicker version for me. Whoa, that's a nice rejection. You make a double call there. Hope it's not late. Come on. Come on, baby. Yes, nice. That's nice. Please announce your next move before trading, like up or down. Ready? Okay. I'll try announcing my next move before I press it. Though I have to be fast, I can't announce. I'll announce while I'm trading. I'm gonna be fast about that because I need to be fast in this. When I look at a very perfect move, I have to be fast. When I make a double call right there, that was a nice signal that that's a turnover. When I make a double call there. Come on. Come on. Nice, nice, nice. I saw someone saying, why don't you try trading in 1 minute? Let me try trading in 1 minute and we see. Let me try to put in 1 minute. Let's see 1 minute, how we shall act in 1 minute. Let me see. Let's refresh my screen now. Okay. Let me try to trade in 1 minute. Okay, that's a nice rejection, huh? So I'll make a short somewhere there. Made a short. Come on. This is a 1 minute trade. That was a 1 minute trade and it's coming out nice. I think you're seeing that. That was a 1 minute trade, guys. Are you seeing this? It's coming out nice so far. Nice. Come on. Let me take another shot, another call there, somewhere there. I made another call. It's a 1 minute trade. I made another call up there. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Yes. Yes. Yes, baby. Continue. Come on. Don't do it. Nice. Almost cut it out. It was almost cut out, but it's amazing. Wow. And let's go back to 30 seconds. Let's go to 30 seconds now. We're gonna try out 30 seconds because 1 minute is too long to expire. Let's take 30 seconds. Let me see. Let me first look at my graph here. My chart is doing very well. And if I look at currency structures here, there's a downtrend. So let me take a shot there. Made a shot from there. 30 seconds time frame. 30 seconds time frame, guys. 30 seconds. Nice. Whoa, we are below the levels of 20. So that's gonna be a very big reversal. So instead of me coming out here, let me make a double call from somewhere there, because a very big reversal is coming in. Come on. Oh, I was right. Damn. Almost. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Nice. 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 This is a 30 seconds time frame and it's nice. 30 seconds is nice. It's nice, guys. Let's join in, guys. Those who are just joining in, my name is Daniel Trading. We're trading with Daniel Live and we are learning the pocket option markets. Right now, our theme is Read the Market Like a Pro, and it's a big theme been running for the 2-week session. Please subscribe, like the session. Right now, we're having a 30 minutes time frame. We're having a 30 minutes time frame with a 5 seconds candle structure, and it's moving on very nice and very well. So let's continue moving with 30 seconds. 30 seconds so far is really nice. 30 seconds so far is really nice. So let me look for another option. Hold on. Let me look for another entry. Right now we are above the levels of 80. So my good call will be a double shot. Hope it's not bad. So let's see where it goes. Oh, it's being rejected. Come on. Now for me to make up for this, I have to look for another trade. It's being rejected. Fuck. Come on, look at this. Look at this, guys. It was rejected. It's okay. Let's look for another entry. Okay, that will be a nice entry for a short. Make a double shot there. Someone referred me this study channel and trading with welcome. Thank you, Joshua. Thank you for coming in. Thank you, Samuel, for referring to him for coming in. That's a nice idea. Come on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Look at this fucked up price. Let me make a call up like somewhere there because it's being rejected and it's coming back. Oh my god, nice. Nice. It's a nice deal. Fuck you. Perfect. Let's continue with this. This is a nice deal. Let's continue with this. We're in the 30 seconds time frame, and it's giving us some nice idea and platforms. Come on, nice. 2-4. Let me try to increase my amount to at least like 200 or 150. Let me make it 150. Make it 150. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Those who are joining in, thank you for joining in. Don't forget to subscribe and like the stream. We have just started and we're going to be having a long way to go. Okay? Yes, thank you, Sweetadon, for welcoming the new subscribers. That's nice. Hello, wow, bro. Hello, big up, bro. I want to learn how to use the Bollinger Bands. Okay. Well, the Bollinger Bands are that simple to read, and the Bollinger Bands are not that hard to read. What to do when you see something? Let me show you. Now, if you look at the bands carefully, we have what we call 3 lines. We have the upper bands, the middle bands, and the middle bands. The Bollinger Bands consists of 3 lines: the upper bands, middle bands, and the downer bands. So, how do you say a call entry or a buy option? Candle closes outside lower band. Now, like this. This was almost a good example, but didn't come out very well. The candle almost closed from the downer band, which was a good example for the call for the buy entry. I think you're getting what I'm saying. Next candle closes back inside the bands. Actually, this is a good example here. Let me look for a good example. Let me look for another example here. You see, hold on. For a call entry, when you see a candle closing outside the band, then you see a next candle closing inside the band with a small candle closing inside the band. That's a very, very good buy option. And let's look for a nice example. Now look at this. Look at this. Though this is gonna be a short one, this can be long enough. This is gonna be a short one because the candle is closed outside the lower band, but this almost closed in from but it touched the upper band. So this is gonna be a very and I was right. It is a close. It is a small entry point. I'm right. You need something big. You need something big. Let's see. Now this is a good rejection candle. So if I make my call right there, oh, I forgot. I'm in 30 seconds. 30 seconds. I need something bigger. I need a bigger structure. So anyway, this is a nice example. Look at this candle. It closed outside the band, the downer bands, and it was having a rejection candle, which was a nice. So if you're in 15 seconds right now, I think you've won this. If you're in 15 seconds or 5 seconds, you've won this. This is nice. But let's continue moving with this. Ooh, my price was rejected. Anyway, it's okay. Let's look for another one. Okay, this is a nice example. This is another nice example. I need something bigger. This is another example. There are 2 rejections showing the price is coming back upwards. Whoa, this is a nice rejection again. Let me make a double shot there. If you look at this now carefully, this is a very perfect example. This candle has what we call an upper rejection, and it's having the second candle is closing inside the bands, which is a very good for a sell option. So I made my shot right there. I made a double shot right there, and it's in 30 seconds. Let's see where it goes. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes. Nice. 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 So basically here with the bands, where my people, someone is calling me chocolate. My God. What's this? You smoke marijuana? What's that? Oh, cannabis? No, I don't smoke. Someone is calling me chocolate. Okay, it's okay, no problem. Anyway, let's continue with this. So I think you've got that. The person who was that? What was the seller saying? He asked me about the bands. I think you've got that. When you see a price moving, let's say a price going below. Now look at that price. That's a good price. It has gone below the upper band, the lower band. Sorry, and the second price enters inside the bands. That's a good example, but it's a short one, and it's only confirmed very well because the buyers came in strong, and also the sellers are coming in strong. What's a very good call for a short option? Let's make a double shot right there. Oh, good binary. Thank you for joining. What's your target? My target right now is not yet defined. We're just learning. I haven't yet defined my target. We're just learning. Haven't yet defined my target. Okay, that's coming in. Come on. Yes, continue. Continue. Yep. Nice. Nice. And it's still a downtrend. So if I take more sell options out there, it's still a downtrend. There's nothing like a signal that is coming back upwards. Look at that carefully. I made my downtrend from here. If you look at those candles, nothing shows that it's coming back downwards. So I made another short option for that because it's still a downtrend. Who am I to oppose the downtrend? We're in the 30 seconds time frame. Look at that. It's coming. Yep, baby. Nice. Let's go. Let's continue with this. I'm enjoying this. Let's continue. To be honest, the best teacher I need to, bro, you are building a legacy. Thank you, brother. Yes. I'm building a legacy. It's called Daniel Trading Legacy. Let's continue subscribing and liking the stream, guys. We want to build this legacy. Anyone trading from South Africa? I don't know, but I think they were here. I think they were around because they gave me hopes that South African music is really nice. And someone was telling me about the meaning of some South African music, which was really beautiful. It means I forgot the term. It was something like the boss. I don't know, something like that. Guys, we wanna hit 2K this week. Right now we're at 1.3. We wanna hit 2K this week. Let's hit it. Let's tap the subscription button. We wanna hit it. We wanna build this legacy crazy. We're gonna continue learning together every day. And today I'll be joining this live every day with you guys. Okay, no sold on here. Now look at this. Whoa. Double call there. Right exactly from there. The candle touched the downer band, and the second one was in the bands. So I made my call option from there. So for the person who has been looking about the bands experience, that's what it is. That's what it is about the Bollinger Bands. How to use the Bollinger Bands. And if you combine them with your oscillator and your candle structure, it all comes out very well. So it's that easy, guys. It's that easy. Just continue doing this research and continue reading about all this. Everything will be nice for you. So the more you do about research about these kind of structures and the indicators, I'm telling you, the trading will be the best in your life. You'll be the best trader in your life, and you have to enjoy this. I took almost 4 to 5 years to do this, and it was a long journey for me. But because I was focused, I was patient, I made it out. So please be patient, make it out. I want you to be the same like me, okay? Let's continue looking for a nice structure here. Hold on. Yep. Well, with trading strategies in binary options, there's a simple strategy, and that's actually work well in market. And many experienced traders use them. The most effective strategy ones are trading from the support and resistance levels, entries on a pullbacks after an impulse. Reaction to a false breakout. When you see a false breakout, you have to react fast. You have to trade on a very good resistance and a support level when you see one. So most of us here we use what we call the price action, and it comes out well. Though you have to be having what we call a good knowledge about the candle structures and the indicators. The more you have a good knowledge about that, then you can make your own. Okay, this is a nice down trade. Oh, it's been rejected. Come on. Show me something else. Oh, if wow, come on. I know. Oh, this may be a nice one. But that's a strong buy. I want advice to go for this. Bro, 15 seconds is far better. Yes, 15 seconds is far better. 15 seconds is far better. The 15 seconds is far better. So let me go back to 15 seconds. Let's go back to 15 seconds. Okay, guys, that's about the strategy. Just with the kind of switches, and then with your indicators, then you're moving up. It's really good to go. Very good. Very good. This is a nice rejection, and if you look at the bands, it will tell you something nice. So let me make a double call right there. This was a nice rejection, the previous candle, and the third candle came inside the band, so I made a call from there. I think you can see that, and it's gonna be well. Come on, 15 seconds. Yes, let's continue. Nice. What balance did you start with? I started with 500 USD. So far we are 35, which is a good run up. It's a good run up. Which country is this? I don't know which country this is, but me, I'm in Houston. I don't know which country that is. I'm in Texas, Houston. Whoa, that's a nice rejection candle. And whenever you see this, you know what to do. You make a double call there. That's a nice. The price was moving downwards. This was dropping downwards. And if you look at the candle very well, it had what we call a lower shadow. It was a long shadow, which was a nice rejection for the price, which indicates that the price is being rejected and it's coming back upwards. So you know what to do next when you see something like that. Then let's continue with those. Nice. I love this. The same applies here. Whoa, I could have made a right entry there, but I was late. Let's just find this line. Okay, come on. No, I want to make that entry. That one is crazy. I want to make that entry. What is the compound? But why don't compound from $1 to more? I'll do that. Don't worry. We did it earlier. We did a $1. We shall do it again. No problem. Right now, we are still learning how to apply and how to make a very perfect entry. Now, let's look at our bands. Hold on. That is one, but it's not that big. But that's one. That's a nice band. That's a nice band showing us there. But not that crazy big. We need something crazy. Whoa. One. That's one. Second one is there. But it's a strong, that's a strong buy, which indicates that anytime soon a seller is going to come up. Whoa, he's right there. That's a nice seller. But let's try to find a way of entering this entry. Let me make my entry right there. Double call. Come on. Nice, 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 nice. Oh. Now look at this carefully. A buyer came in, nice. So if let me make my double call there. A buyer came in earlier and it was below the downer band, and the second buyer came in inside the bands. So I made my call right there inside the bands, which was a good call. Oh my god, another seller is coming in. Come on, nice. So that's the reason why we're using 15 seconds. It's really quick. It's a quick execution. Someone is saying, Rogers, can you just explain to us, bro? Don't ignore. What should I explain? Sir, apart from the rejection candle, what else do you use? I've just told you, I've just showed you how to use the Bollinger Bands. And apart from the rejection candles, you can also use the Bollinger Bands by just looking at the candles and knowing what to do, how to trade and stop. Yes, I use an execution time of 15 seconds. it's automatic. I just set in my execution of for 15 seconds. If you look down here, my execution is 15 seconds. So when I take a trade, it automatically is stopped. Roger, see what's the name is it? Rogers, I don't know. So how to trade and stop? Basically, you just insert in your time, and whenever your time expires, your trade is expired and it's done. So that's how I do. That's how I stop and start my trade. Okay. Someone is saying very nice. Thank you, Samuel. So Daniel, I think you've seen that. Daniel Sylvester, I think you've seen that. You can also use the bands or the oscillator apart from the dream candle. So please, when you look at your candles very well and you look at your bands, because they will tell you what to do. They will tell you what to do. The bands will definitely tell you what to do. Okay. So if you look at your bands and your candles, the bands will tell you what to do apart from the Egyptian candles. I think I've answered your question. This is really cool. You're good explaining. Thank you, Samuel. Nope. That's not the one. Come on. Okay, sir. Yes. Is this a demo account? I don't know. How do you see? I don't know. You can tell me. Now the same applies here. What was it, Daniel? I think you've seen this. Then you look at this. The cell was above the upper band, and the second cell was inside the bands, which is definitely a good shot for you. So if I made my shot earlier there, it would be a very nice stand up. So I think I've given a very good example apart from the candle, from the revision candles. I think I've given a very good example to how to use the bands and how to do that. Okay. So if I made a very good shot, the same applies here. Oh my God. I'm late, but I made my entry from there, but I'm late. But let's continue going and let me see where it goes. If I made my entry like right before 2 candles earlier or 3 candles earlier, it will be a fast decision. Oh my God, I knew it. I was late. But it's still down, it's still an uptrend. So let me make a double one to recover mine. Recover my loss earlier. So let me make a double call there. I think you've seen that, Daniel. I think you've seen that. And you're using my name. Yes, Rogers. When the time is up, my trade automatically stops. Okay? So when you're trading, set up your time. So when my trade is automatically, my time is done, my trade automatically stops. Okay? So I am Pakistani. Okay. Samuel Clinton. Yes, I don't know what Clinton is meaning, but I think it's crazy. Let him do what he wants. Can you make a video on how to set up the bands? The bands are really easy, guys. The bands are really easy. You come up here, you come to your indicators, you look for your bands right there. The bands are really easy to set up. The bands are really set up. So when you come to your settings, you really look for the indicators. The bands are right there, guys. Are you seeing that? And right now, I'm using the Bollinger Bands and oscillator. I think you're seeing that. So that's really easy and sharp to do. When you're done setting them up, they're at the default, and my periods are 5, my deviation is 1. Clinton is saying, Samuel, am I wrong to ask? Clinton, no, you're not wrong to ask, but it's on the demo account, it's a live account, we're on a live account, and if you look at your screen right now, you will be seeing it with a live account. It's a VIP Elite account, and it's live. I think you've seen that, guys. The Bollinger Bands, those are the settings, and then my oscillator down below. Those are my settings. Let me show you. They're right there. You show us how to set time after time it closes immediately. This is just a plug and play thing. You just come down here to your time, set in your seconds. I can set in 5 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, and 1 minute. So me, I use 15 seconds. And if I take my trade in 15 seconds, I only count 15 seconds. And when 15 seconds are done, my trade stops automatically. So that's really easy like that, guys. Okay. The candle time is 5 seconds, guys, and the time frame is 15 seconds. My time frame is 15 seconds, and my candle time is 5 seconds. The application we are on is Pocket Options. The application is Pocket Option, guys. Pocket Option. The link is right there. You can just tap the link to join. It's a nice uptrend. Look at that work over there. That's a nice uptrend. Though I made it end. I entered it late. Nice. Okay, this might be nice. This might be a nice signal. Hold on. That's a strong. Oh, a buyer came in, but that would be a nice signal. But a buyer came in really fast. This is a nice downtrend. If you look at this, for someone who was asking about the bands, if you look at that, that's a good downtrend. So let me make a curve, a shot from there. One up, second inside. What do you do next? Short. So downtrend. Come on. Nice. 5K. We have hit 5K now. We're at 5K. Oh my God, look at this. There was a rejection candle below. There was a nice rejection candle below. So let me make my, hope I'm not late. Oh, a second one, immediately a second one came in, and that was a nice deal. Woo! It was a nice deal. Oh my God. This was a nice deal. Woo, guys, this was a nice deal. They should bring me more berries. I should get more berries. I didn't get mangoes today. I only got berries, so that's what I'm eating. That's what I'm taking right now. They are sweet and they are fresh. They are sweet and fresh. They're nice. I didn't get mangoes today. Let's look at this and see. Hold on. Okay, this will be a nice one. No, but no, it's not yet. It's not confirmed. So look at this. I can't take this trade because it's not confirmed. It's giving me crazy structures, so I can't take this trade. That will be won't be. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this. This is a big. Okay, a rejection below, but it's not confirmed yet. It's supposed to be a very good confirmation here, but it's not confirmed yet. The bands are reversing upwards. Meaning the an uptrend coming up soon. And if you look at the indicators below, it shows you that we're at the levels we have hit the 20 and we're coming back to 80, which is a nice signal for you to make a double call there. One, 5, 4. Nice. For those who are joining in, thanks for joining in. Let's like and subscribe to the stream. We want to hit 2K this week, and we want to see how we can make it up. Rogers is saying there is a buy green and a sell red. How do you change them, and how? And you know, you have already set the time, bro. Answer me this question, bro. It's just an open up to your app. You're gonna see it's automatically there. If the buy is there and the sell is there, so it's automatically there. Nothing to change. Just open up and start trading. Okay. Nothing's changed. Just the only thing you can do is to set up your time frame and set up your candle time. So there is nothing to change. The only thing you can change here is to change your structure. You can get from lines, candles. Let me show you that. You can get from lines, candles. There are lines, there are candles, there are bars, and there are. But may I use candles? And my candles are in 5 seconds. So please, that's how it's easy like that, and nothing is there to change. Okay. So I don't want you to open up and change something else, you know, because it's just the way it is. It's just a plug and play, and that's why I told you Pocket Options is the easier setup and is the easier way to make it up for you, because it has a very good interface and a very easy interface to use. It's fast. Some questions you have to assume traders ask questions with high sense. Example, what made you to buy, sell? Others like how, set time, just do more analysis. And I don't get that. Thank you, Josh. So, Rogers, I think I've answered your question, Rogers. Rogers was saying, Rogers is trying to, so I think Rogers is a beginner trader and he's trying to know if the green and the red change. So, Rogers, please don't change anything. Don't do anything freaky. It is just a plug and play. Just open up, download, open up. Let me tell my moderator to send you the link below. So please don't change anything right there. It's just a small plug and play. It's right there, Rogers. I think you've seen it. So please, once you download the app, once you get the Pocket Option app or web, don't change anything. The only thing you can change here is the lines, the bars, the indicators, and the time frame. Okay, so don't do anything foolish, don't do anything stupid. Just do that. Okay. For those who are feeling bad about such questions, it's okay. They are good to us and they like it. Bro, trade, stop talking. It's okay. I guess I have to explain out and tell them a few things about this. Some of them are beginners, so I have to tell them about a few things. That's why I talk to them. And let's continue. Let's continue to trade. Let's continue to do this. Guys are making me funny. And let's continue with the trade. Let's continue with the trades. Guys are making me funny right here in the chat section. You all should see that chat section. It's making me funny. Guys are crazy. Nothing here. Come on. Come on. Show me something, baby. Show me something. Nope. That's not the one. Okay, that's a nice rejection. So let me take a double shot right there. I've entered. That's made a double shot. There was a nice rejection, so I took a double shot there. Someone is saying I'm a beginner. Yes, Rogers is a beginner. You can explain while trading also. Yes, true. Still, oh my god, yes, it's still downtrend. So let me make another double shot right there. Let me make another double shot right there. It's still a downtrend, and if you look at the candle structures, they all tell you the same thing. And if you look at also the Bollinger Bands, they all tell you the same thing. That's still a downtrend. So no need to go against it. Let's continue sloping down. Wow, 6K. Let's go. 6K. Let's go. 6K. Anyway, let me do something else. Let me try to cash out this. We start with 350. We go again in 666666060. Let's start with 300 again. I made some 6K, so let's start again from 300. Begin afresh from there, and I think let's do it crazy, full risk. Let's do it crazy full. How would you see? Let's do it full risk. Let's do it full risk mode. Let's do it a full risk mode, crazy attempt. Max. Full margin, full risk mode, 100% risk. Let's go for it. Nice. Let me take one shot. Nice. Let's do it full risk mode, 5 attempts. Full risk mode, 5 attempts. 1. That's 1. Let's double that. Full margin. That's double that. I don't advise you to do a full risk mode. I don't advise you to go full margin on your account. It's crazy. So I don't advise you to do a full risk. It's not nice and it's crazy. Unless you're a professional trader, then you can go for that. That's a reverse. Come on. Woo! Almost crashed out. That was a refund. It almost crashed out. That was a refund. In terms of draw. 300 to 300K 5 times. Yes. 50K. Okay. Is this halal? I don't know. Time frame 1 second. No, Breeze. It's 15 seconds. You can't do a time frame of 1 second. Are you crazy? It's 5 and 15. You can't do a time frame of 5 seconds of 1 second. That will mean that you ain't playing. You ain't ready for the market. You're just playing in the market. Anyway, let's continue with this. We got the refund. From there, we got the refund. For those who are joining in, thank you for joining. We're live with Daniel Trading. Please don't forget to subscribe and like the stream. I love that song. It's beautiful. It has a nice sensational feeling. I don't know. I think do I have any South African in the chat section? Someone tell me what does that song mean? For those asking about the app, it's called Pocket Option. The app is Pocket Option, guys. We have Pocket Option. We're doing binary options right now. The app is called Pocket Option. Any South African in the chat section, tell me what is the meaning of this song. It's a nice song. I love it. Sellers are trying to come in here, so let me make a shot right there. This is our second trade. Come on, nice 1K. Let's double that. Full margin, full risk. Let's continue. Woo! Crazy shot right there. This is our third trade. Oh my god, hope it's not cashed out. Come on. Nice. I thought it was gonna be crashed out. Nice. That's nice. That's our third trade. Let's double it. Our fourth trade. Double it. Look at this. That's a nice candle, and we are below. So let me make another shot right there. Oh shit! I was supposed to make a call. Look at this. I made a trade before confirmation. If you look at this carefully, the second candle came in inside the bands, and the third one is also inside the bands. Fuck. It's okay, no problem. We are here to learn. We're here to learn. No problem. One. Nope, that's a strong sell. One. Nice. Let me take a shot at call there. That's a nice one. I failed earlier. I didn't confirm my trades. I thought it was going to be a very nice shot because I saw it was a downtrend, but it made an overturn and the price was rejected. So the price came back from the levels of 20 back to the levels of 80, which I did notice earlier. So I made it out like that. But anyway, no problem. We're going to have to try again. We are here to learn everything. So let's continue learning together. Hold on, let me see. Maybe that was that. Someone is saying over trading. I don't know. Yep. That's why I told you I do not advise you guys to do a full risk or full margin. It's crazy and it might end up you losing your account. Yep. Make a call right there. I made my call just by looking at that. It's an uptrend. It's a beautiful uptrend. Nice. 1K, we are back. Yes. Before you take a trend, first confirm the trend first. Before you confirm a trend, or else it results you into a bad action. Though sometimes we take long to confirm a trend because sometimes they take long to get a signal. But it's good to be patient. Even if it takes minutes, be patient till you find out your trade that it's nice. Vole Dollar is saying I should stop, that I'm over trading. No, I only trade for only 2 hours and strictly for only 2 hours. When my 2 hours are done, whatever I get, I just move out. That's why I stop. For the full day, I spend my full day doing my errands, looking at my trades, looking at my charts, seeing what I should trade, I think what I should do. That's why I take only 2 hours to trade, and when my 2 hours are done, I cancel everything out. Nice, you make a call right there. Nice. Let me double that. Full risk. We are going full risk, full margin, 100%. Risking, no risk, no Ferrari. For those who are joining in, thank you for joining in. Let's subscribe and like the stream. We want to hit 2K this week. Like, we want to do it like how we do it last week. So we want to hit 2K by the end of this week. So let's continue subscribing. Right now we're at 139, which is a good signal and a good sign. So let's keep up the energy up and let's continue subscribing. Let's continue joining the stream. We want to love it. We want to enjoy it. Let's keep on learning together. Nice rejection. Make a call right there. Oh my god. Come on. Bullocks. Nice. 3-7. Nice. Let's double that. Bullocks. Oh my god, this one. This is a nice candle. This one. Let's hold on for the second one and see. We're gonna confirm with the second one. Okay, this might be the one. Let me make a shot right there. We had a rejection candle earlier, so we confirmed it the second one because it hit the upper bands and it stayed inside the bands, which was a good signal. So that's why I make a shot from. Come on. Nice. 7K. One more trade left. We hit it to 14 or 15, something like that. So one more trade left. One trade only. We're gonna hit 13K or 14K with one trade, but it's gonna be 13K. If I look at my screen, very saying 13K. So with only one trade, we're gonna stop at 13K. We need for a perfect trade. So hold on. Is this the one? Nope, it's not the one. The buyer came in sharp. It's an uptrend. So let me continue going with the uptrend. I want to go with it. Let me continue going with an uptrend. Come on. Come on, don't bounce it off. Come on. Come on. Ah. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Bullocks. Ah. Anyway, I told you the business we're in, you have to learn how to endure losses. Without losses, we won't learn how to make it up. So, with the business we're in right now, learn how to endure losses. Because with losses, that's how you become a man. That's how you learn how to make it up. And that's the business we're in right now. Anyway, let's go again. No worries. Let's try again. We are still learning together. Okay, that's a nice one. Make a call right there. If you look at those candles, with the Bollinger Bands, you get to see that. Nice. Second trade. This will be a nice one, but I didn't see it early. This will be a nice trade, but it took me long to see it. So, but this will be a nice trade. Music at pause there. Come on, nice. Oh my god, 1K. Oh, it's intense. It's intense. It's becoming intense. Anyway, let's continue with this. This is a nice uptrend. So let's look for a very good entry point. Oh my god, it's being fought over. Price coming back downwards. Price coming back downwards. Whoa, rejection right there. Let me take up my call option right there. That's a rejection. That's a very good rejection right there. Still an uptrend. Woo! Come on, come on, come on. Don't flip it. Don't flip it. Yep, 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 yep. Nice. Third trade. Successful. Let's go for our fourth trade. Okay. Okay. Make a call right there. Thank you, Susan. Thanks for joining, Susan. Thank you for the fire emojis. Thanks for joining. Where are you watching from, Susan? Tell me. Which side are you watching from, Susan? Tell me. Denmark. Oh, Susan, that's nice. Susan is watching from Denmark. Guys, those who are joining in, tell me where you're watching from. Because right now we are trying to cook this and it's intense. So show me some fire. The name of the app is Pocket Option, guys, and we're trading binary options. So those who are just joining in, tell me where you're watching from. Subscribe, like, where are you watching from? Thanks for the fire emojis. Let's continue banning the chat section, guys. That's the kind of fire I need right now because this is becoming intense and hard. Anyway, let's continue moving this. Let's see. Oh, nice. Nice. Let me make a shot right there. Come on. Woo. Okay. Final trade. This is the final trade, so we're gonna be careful with this. I don't want to lose it, so let's be careful with it. Let me look for a perfect way. Look for a perfect way to enter that entry. Ayomide from Nigeria, thank you for joining. Hope you're enjoying the stream. Hope you're getting something. Hope you're laughing. South Carolina. Hello, brother. How are you? Paris. Yes. India. Nigeria. Algeria. Okay. Continue telling me where you're watching from, guys. I'm already seeing these guys. Abbeville, South Carolina. Thank you. Okay. Okay, this is a nice entry. Couples coming in. Come on. Very well. Let me take a shot right there. Nice. 13K. Woo. Nice one, guys. Nice one. That's the 13K. It's crazy. Oh my G. Fuck yeah. Watching from South African. Thank you. Norway. Thanks for the shout out. Thank you, brother. Tip Bill is saying thank you for the shout outs. Woo! Oh my G. Should we double this or should we cash it out? I don't know. Tell me. Should we double this or should we cash it out? If I double this, it's gonna be something like 30K. So should I double this or should I cash it out? Tell me, guys. I'm feeling crazy. I feel crazy right now. Should we double this 13K or should we cash it out? I don't know. Tell me. I wanna see you guys. Tell me. Should we double it or cash it out? So I'm seeing a lot of cash outs. Cash outs are winning. Cash outs are winning. Cash outs are winning. Oh my God. Everyone is saying cash out, cash out. You guys are crazy. Oh my God. Yes, someone. People are saying cash out. Okay. Let me cash out. We start afresh. Let's say from $2 or $1 or $10. Let me cash this out. We start afresh from the compound of $1 or $2. Okay. Anyway, thank you guys for all your advice. I love this. Let's cash it out and we begin again from either $2 or $1. 1, 3, 2, 4, 5. Oh, let me leave. I'm gonna leave something like a $2. Let me leave $2. Better. Okay. Let's keep something like let me put 20. 20, then I withdraw. I put back 20, 24, 24.64. I want to start with $2. Yes, perfect, $2. Okay. We're gonna start afresh from $2. Let's start from $2. Oh my God, I'm already seeing $1, $1, $1. Oh, sorry. Let's do $2. Watching from Sierra Leone. Thank you, Sierra Leone. Those guys who are just joining in right now, please don't forget to subscribe. We wanna hit 2K this week. We wanna end up with 2K. Oh my God, look at very good perfect rejection there. Let me look at very good call there. We begin. We have begun. Let's go. $2. Let's go. Okay, now guys, sincerely tell me, those who have learned something, I know you've learned something from here. If you look at those kind of structures there right now, I think you know why I made that call there. Carefully with the bands. Okay, let's wait. I'm seeing something. If you look at this, sales coming in, our sellers are coming in. Sellers are coming in and they're coming in strong. So let me double my price here. 376. Nice. Right now, my goods. Come on, where should I make my entry from? Let me show it from there. Watching from Nigeria, please, how do I know which kind of indicate buy and sell? You will learn high, bro, lower week. Yes, true. Where are you from? Houston, Texas. I'm in Texas. I'm a Texas boy from Houston. Teach us how to trade. Just continue watching the stream, Rogers, and you will learn how to trade. So please, it's not first day and it's not your last day. So please join in every day. We shall be learning how to trade, and we still have a theme saying with the market like a pro. So Rogers, continue watching. You're gonna learn everything. Just tune in every day at the same time, same hours. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification button. So whenever I come in live, you are notified that Daniel Trading is live. Okay, so please continue watching the stream, continue learning the stream. We are gonna be learning every day. We are learning something new. Now, if you look at that, that's what we call a price gap. That's what we call a price gap. There's a price change, and that gap comes in because there's a price change and a strong price change. That's why a gap comes in. Then let's double this. My boy Regan, how are you, Regan? Thanks for joining. Where have you been? I'm live from Malaysia. Okay. Of course, Samuel is always from Kenya. Rogers. Rogers, I think you're from Kenya. Why do you say like that? You think he's from Kenya? It's a beautiful uptrend. Though I missed it, but let me go in from there. This was a beautiful uptrend, and I came in late. So let's continue with it. Come on. Why like this? Why like this? What's the problem with this? I don't know. It's okay. Nice. That's nice. Let's double that. Whoa, nice. Call from there, right from there. Well, that kind of almost came out from the bands, but it didn't, which was a nice put for a call option. Nice. Let's double that. Any South African in the chat section, please tell me what does this song mean, because it's a nice, lovely song. I don't know. Please, any South African in the chat section, tell me what does this song mean. It's a nice song. It has some nice good beats, and I'm enjoying it. A call from right there. Hope it's not late. Yes, Regan gave me a title. It's called Isaka. The title of the song is called Isaka. Yes. So please, if you're South Africa, tell me what's the meaning of the song. It's called Isaka. From SA, but I don't know. Oh wow. Oh, it's called, I don't know. Is it Isaka, Isoka? I don't know. What's the original name? Someone is saying it's Isoka, not Isaka. Is it Isoka or Isaka? What's the difference? I don't know. Let me try to find it out here. I'm from SA. Okay, I want to know the meaning of that song, guys. I want to know the meaning of the song. It's a nice song. I love the song. It's a nice song. Let me make a call right there. Oh, Isaka. Oh, you guys are confusing me right now. It means hangovers. Oh, okay. Like hangovers. Okay. Start with that. 46. We are going slowly. We began with only $2, and we are going slowly with a full margin. We are going full margin because we began with only $2 and we want to make it out to the last end. So we are going full margin, full risk, 100%. Hold on. Woo. Nope, I won't go for that. That's not a good one, but it's a good confirmation, but it's not that strong. Nice, that's a good confirmation candle. That's a good rejection candle. Let's wait for nice. Let me make a shot from there. Another one is there. Perfect. So I made a shot from there. The good rejection candle earlier. And it was confirmed very well. So I made a shot right there. Come on, nice. 88. Let's double that. We are gonna make it to the last end from $2. Full risk, full margin. Expiry time is 15 seconds. Our candle time is 5 seconds. So let's continue moving forward. We're gonna make it to the last end from $2. We wanna make it and see how far can we end up. Someone is saying, do you live every day and what time in Nigerian time? I don't know what's the Nigerian time, but I'm live every day. My UTC is -5. I don't know what's that in your own, but I told you guys the best way to see that I'm live is to just hit the notification tab. So whenever I'm live, YouTube tells you that Daniel Trading is live. He sees the future. No, I don't know about that, but the only way to do that is by making sure that you know how to read the Bollinger Bands as indicators. I don't know what indicators you use, but when you get to learn your indicators very well and your candle structures, you get to know everything that comes up ahead by just looking at your candle structures. Now, like at this, if you looked at this, that was supposed to be a very good shot from earlier, because this candle here, if you look at this candle, it came out outside the upper bands. The second candle came in inside the bands. So if I made my shot earlier there, it was going to be a very beautiful shot. And that's how you say, I'll read the future. Yes, Emmanuel is right. It's 5 p.m. in my place. That's when I start. In Nigeria, 11 p.m. Okay? Yes, Emmanuel is right. In Houston, it's 5. That's when I start my live. The same applies here. They make my call right there. If you look at the downer, the candle comes out below the downer band, and the second candle came inside the bands. So that was a nice way for making a very good call. And people will say, you're reading the future, and that's a very nice way to spot a nice trade and a nice entry. With that spotting, you're gonna be a very successful trader, and you make it out. The win rate is almost 90%. Let's double that. 166. Let's continue. Those who have just joined, I know you've come in late. I'm sorry for that, but we have learned a lot. But don't worry, we are gonna be live every day. We are live at the same time. Just subscribe and like the stream. We're gonna be live every day, and we are learning every day together. Those who have questions, my Telegram is in the description. Just hit me up with a message. It doesn't say anywhere on the bottle. It only says drink responsibly. It doesn't say don't drink and trade. Come on. It only says drink responsibly. Don't drink and trade. Come on. Musta is that's the name. What's the name? What's the name? He's called Mastana. Mastana, he is saying do not drink and trade. Brother, the bottle doesn't say like that. The bottle only says drink responsibly, above 18, above 21, don't drink and drive. And right now, we're in the Brent oil and it's moving very nice. So it calls out for a very nice glass of a whiskey. Though I mixed it up with a Fanta and it's fantalizing my tongues. Oh. Nice. Nice. Now I'm seeing my journey. My journey is almost ending. I'm seeing it. So far, everything is well. Everything is moving on nice. So if you look at the kind of structures here, can't you tell me that we're still in an uptrend? If I look at my candle structures, they still tell me that we are still in an uptrend. But let me hold on. I can't make a move right now because it's still moving upwards. Well, it's still an uptrend. I'm nothing like a bounce back. So let me make another call right there. If you look at the Bollinger Bands, they can definitely tell you that it's still an uptrend. This candle almost made it outside the lower bands, and this came in the second band. So it's still an uptrend. Come on. Shoot. Yes. Nice. 5. Let's go. Let's double that. That was a fucking close call. In only 1 second, I'm going to lose it all, but I hate it to start afresh. Anyway, let's continue moving with this. Right now, we are above the 80 levels, which is the overbought. So let's wait for a very nice turn. If we get a very nice signal for a downtrend, then we shall go for it. Right now, let's wait. Let's hold on. Let me look at this carefully. Okay, that's one. That's the second one. Hold on. Third one. Nice. Let me make a shot right there. The first one came outside the bands. The second one also came outside the bands. The third one was inside the bands. I made my shot right there. Come on. Don't do it. Don't do it. 1K. Let's double that. I saw your heart pump like a... I know. This one was almost out. Woo! And let's continue. Okay, that's a nice candle. Oh, I came in late, but if I made it earlier, it was going to be a nice call. But let's wait and see. So it's still a downtrend. Let me make a shot right there. Still a downtrend. Come on. Come on. Nice. 2K. This is going to be our last trade. We're going to trade to our last trade. Then we end our session. We're going to stop at 4K. We're going to stop at 4K. So let me double it. We make 4K. We stopped right there. Oh my God. Fuck. Okay. Our last trade. Then we end it up here. Our last trade is going to be our last trade. For those asking for my Telegram, it's inside the description. My links are down there. My channel, you joining the channel. Oh my God, this was the last 3 trades were crazy, and they have made me feel it. They are crazy. The last 3 trades were crazy. And let's make our last trade, so we end our session from here. Because right now, okay. That's a nice rejection. Come on, show me something else. Nice. That's another one. Right there. I'll make my call right there. There was a rejection. The price was moving downwards, and there was a rejection. Oh my God, come on. Don't. Yes, continue. 2 more seconds. A moment of silence. A moment of silence, guys. I should stop right there. Oh my God. I should stop right there. A moment of silence. Woo! You don't know how I feel right now. You guys don't know how I feel right now. Right now, my pants are hot. I'm burning up. I'm burning up right now. You don't know how I feel right now. Right now, I'm burning up. Oh, this is crazy therapy. Right now, with only these threads, you might end up with a very big heart attack in full margin. That's why I do not advise you to do a full margin 100% because it's crazy. Full margins are crazy, but they are nice. That's a big payout. And with only 350 or 200, you might, end up with your your net gross. Oh my God, my pants are burning up, guys. Oh my God, I should stop right here. Fuck, I should stop right here. I should go get some rest. Oh my God, I deserve a hot bath right now. Let me book a pool. Guys, let me say bye-bye right now. I should leave you guys. Let me say bye-bye right now. We shall start from here tomorrow. We shall start either with gold or currencies. Brent oil has been really nice today. The Brent oil has been really nice today. It didn't give us anything bad. There was no bad karma. And everything was nice. So guys, let me stop right here. I will start from there tomorrow. We shall start from there tomorrow. Thanks for learning with me. Thanks for learning with Daniel. Thanks for learning with Daniel Trading. Let's continue learning to Daniel. And please, let's subscribe the channel. Share it out. Let other people join in and let's subscribe the channel. We want to make it up to 2K this week. So guys, thank you for always being around. And I know you. So those who are picking up something, let's try it out there. Anyway, guys, let me say bye-bye. Take care. Let's tune in tomorrow, okay? Same time, same hours. Have a nice day.